It's a sticky one, isn't it?
These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys, now I gotta roll with ice.
What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite barber, your favorite people, David D. Sharp, coming to you live from the Sharp Zone. Welcome back to the channel, and today we will be fully reviewing the TPOB Orange Play Clipper set. Stay tuned. We will be going over the price point, the power, the strength, the battery life, and durability of all three of TPOB's Orange Play Clipper set, from the clipper to the trimmer to the close shaver. Is it worth the money, and is it worth the price point? So we're gonna go ahead and bring out Dr. Sharpenstein to break down the aspects of these clippers, trimmers, and close shaver. Here we go.
All right now, watch out there now. I see you playing.
Oh yeah, Papa. Get on down, player. Yeah, Baba.
Now hold up. Who are you?
What you mean, fam? It's the bombastic fantastic, the walk without the bar, the man with the plan, your favorite mad scientist, Dr. Sharpenstein. Well, ladies and gents, with no hesitance, let's dive into this TPOB Clipper review. With no further ado, Baba, and if I could have my assistant, my lovely assistant, Miss Hands, hand me TPOB playset.
All right now, what them hands do?
Man, this dude's gonna get us kicked off YouTube. I'm on it.
Ergonomic slim design with rubber grip, indent for maximum comfort, which makes the Play the most comfortable machine on the market. Ultra quiet motor, so quiet you'll hear the hair crunch. Also, check out this 5-click and stretch lever arm opening up to a true number 1, charging to 100% consistency even after long usage. And finally, its patented Acme motor with dual speed settings, making this the perfect machine for all hair types. Did I mention that this play clipper has 6,000 to 7,500 RPMs? Oh, that's power. Now introducing to you the TPOB Play Trimmer, featuring its revolutionary Right On, patented modular design for professional performance and personal customization, just like the clipper. Its features come with the patented Acme motor at 7,000 RPMs. Now, that's power and precision, Baba. Ergonomic slim design with rubber grip and thumb indent. Includes the Gap Zero Gap tool to easily adjust your blade. It has the quietest motor in the industry. It also has a 3-hour runtime with a 2-hour charge time. It features the Play Softy blade with cool blade technology and oil reservoirs, keeping the blades cool and smooth longer. Now moving on to the Play Shaver player. The TPOB Play Shaver has a patented Acme motor that runs from 7,000 to 8,000 RPM. More power. The shaver comes with a globally patented blade head with an entirely new design concept, offering a unique experience through an innovative magnetic folding blade. The rubber grips, logos for the machine, and charging stands are fully interchangeable, allowing you to customize how your plate will look. The TPOB shaver is the quietest shaver in the industry, and it runs around under 63 decibels. And now moving on to our decibel challenge to check and see if these barber tools stand up to its word and won't bust your client's eardrums. Oh, Miss Hands. Yeah, play. Now, Baba, let me explain to you my decibel chart. If you look here, if you see a green smiley face, baby, we in the green. But if it moves too far up into the red, then Baba, we are in trouble. Now moving on, Baba, to our decibel test. Let's go ahead and check the first level of this TPOB play clipper. That's quiet, Daddy. Now let's go ahead and move on to the second level with our play clipper. Oh my, quiet as a mouse. Now let's go ahead and test our play treble. Sounds about right, Baba. Now moving on to our play shaver, level 1. Oh, my man is happy. Now here for you, here's level 2. Look at it, smiling and cheeks. Ain't nothing but good. Now that's it for my time, Baba. We're gonna go ahead and send it back to you, Daddy D Sharp. Let's go ahead and check out how the clipper, trimmer, and close shaver works. Right on.
One thing I appreciate about this clipper is its weight balance. I've had many other clippers from different companies such as Andis, Wall, BARBERS, and Oster. But they often have an imbalance in weight due to the placement of their chipboards, battery, or its plastic and metal materials. This can make it difficult to finish or even feel comfortable while finishing the haircut. Another thing I appreciate is the accuracy, the placement of its chipboards, battery, weight of the blades, metal and plastic pieces, the consistency and power, and the speed of the clipper. It's so smooth that it cuts like butter. Even out the box, you don't have to worry about it snagging or even dragging your client's hair. Unlike the Wall Vapor, the blade does not penetrate your client's scalp or cut the skin. Yes, that's right. The F32 Fade Out blade has pierced a few of my clients' scalp. Unless you're zero gapping your blades, with the chunk blade on the play clipper, you don't have to zero gap the blade. But that's for another conversation. Stop zero gapping your clippers and trimmers. I can't give this clipper more praise than I'm already giving it. And I'm not saying this because it's the best of all time. Or am I? However, I've had similar clippers from other companies that I've had before, and I've noticed that they are not as smooth or precise. I'm gonna do another review of this clipper in a couple of months to see if my opinion has changed. We will continue to test how the consistency is with the speed, power, durability, and its strength. But so far, I've been thoroughly enjoying the play clipper. I don't even have the right words to describe it, but you'll have to experience it for yourself. And let me assure you, I'm not just building up TPOB because we're cool and all that. Throughout the 3 weeks I've had it, I haven't had any complaints whatsoever. I promise you, whether you've been in the barber industry for a year, 5 years, 10 years, or even longer,
like I have professionally. With the short amount of time that I've had this clipper, and I've done a lot of cuts with it on various hair types, you won't be disappointed. You might even start comparing other companies and wondering, what are they doing differently? Or in other words, to rephrase that question too, what aren't they doing? I appreciate this company for considering barbers as their target audience because it's designed by a barber, and you can't get it any better than that. Why not go with the brand that considers barbers almost like FUBU, for us by us? Yeah, TPOB is the new FUBU, for barbers by barbers. However, what you won't see in this clip here is the finalizing of this haircut. It's me using the clipper over comb technique only because the placement of the neck phone holder got in the way of my technique and my arm was getting in the way. But you will see the final results of a few haircuts at the end of this segment. And if you guys haven't done so already, and you are new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell. So when we drop a new video, you will get the notification in a snap. And we are only 4 subscribers away from hitting 1,000 subscribers. So please do so to support the channel, but I'm already grateful and thankful for everybody that's already here with us. Moving on to the usage of the trimmer, the play trimmer. It's incredibly light and ergonomic. The design is a chef's kiss. It's beautiful, especially considering my Andre the Giant type hands. I know you've heard me say it before, but I need you to understand, us big-handed barbers, we are very appreciative when a company creates the ergonomics of a clipper, trimmer, or any other product with the consideration of the size of our hands. It's crucial. As you can see with my client, there's no biting, snagging, cutting, or irritation to the skin. My client is practically falling asleep comfortably, resting in the chair. That's what we want for our customers, our clients, our people, to be as comfortable as possible while getting their hair cut. And as you can see on his face, there are no red marks, and he has extremely sensitive skin. The trimmer cuts beautifully. Now, I'll say this, it doesn't cut extremely close. When you use this on your client's face, that's the purpose of a close shaver. But when it comes to the edge up, it's not too sharp, so you don't have to worry about cutting or even burning your client's skin, especially if you're heavy-handed, as I am. This trimmer blade doesn't require much effort into getting a clean, sharp edge up. As you can see, I'm using light taps. Light taps. These taps aren't as heavy-handed as it may look. The Psycho blade makes it quite effortlessly to get a clean line. Just like good barbecue meat falling off the bone. Clean, precise, soft taps. That Psycho blade is a beast, man. Look at it. I'm not fighting with the hair, the positioning of the trimmer blade. No need to dig to get a clean line with this blade and trimmer combo. Moving on to the close shaver, it gets close to the skin. Baby bottom smooth. I wish you could hear the crunch on this, but because of the background noise and conversations in the shop, it would just clash with the audio. But I'm feeling this close shave. It's gentle and it's not harsh on the skin. I love the single blade because I usually finish up my client's mustache area with the close shaver. It's flexible, following the structure of your client's face. But you'll be amazed how much I paid for this entire set upon its original drop. Only a whopping $158.84. But now it's retailed at $249.95. But shoot, depending on the company, that's the price for one clipper, yet alone a 4-piece clipper set.
Now, before we move on, I'd like to give a shout out to this commenter, J Boss the Banger. Does it look like those work to you? And I also want to give a quick shout out to my boy Rick Toadson over at TPOB's YouTube channel. Their link will be in the description. Make sure you go subscribe to their channel because they're always coming up with updates for new clipper drops, trimmer drops, and all the above. If you are interested in purchasing this clipper, visit tpobusa.com. The Orange Play set is back up officially on their website. So go ahead, head there now and cop you a set as we speak. That's it for my time, you guys. I appreciate each and every last one of you coming to the page, subscribing, turning on the notification bell, and following along, and even interacting down in the comment section. I appreciate all your opinions, your views, comments, and questions. If there are any other brands that you guys like to see me review, please leave a comment below. If you have this TPOB Play Clipper set, leave a comment below. What is your experience like with TPOB? So far, I'm loving TPOB, and I might make a major switch over to just being straight up TPOB, but that's just to be determined in the future. So as iron sharpens iron, so one person should sharpen another. Until the next video, you guys, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment below, and follow along. I appreciate you. Peace. Stay sharp.
Stay sharp with the sharp. Oh yeah. Barber tools, day by day. Shotguns, nothing in the way. Stay sharp, come what may. Clippers, razors, scissors, too. The sharp knows just what to do. Product reviews, tried and true. Barber tools for me.